FERPA is the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act. It was a law created in 1974 that basically allows parents to gather information about their students from the school whenever they need it, and it also ensures that students and parents their privacy is protected. When it comes to the privacy, the biggest thing is the student's educational records. It is important that all staff members at a school realize that a student's educational records are confidential, and the only people who should be able to access them are students and parents if they're under 18. These include several things, including grades and test scores. However, parents or a student over 18 may sign to get these released elsewhere. One thing that I see a lot in our school in USD 379 is employees sharing information with employees when it's necessary and only when it's necessary. We have a tutoring program after school that some of the teachers participate in, and when students, or they need to know when their students are failing a class or are struggling in a class, so they ask us teachers if we can show them their grades. Or we also have students who are not in the special education program, but they may need a little bit more help. They'll go to our reading specialist, and she doesn't have access to their grades all the time, so she may come and check with us, or she'll check in with the office. And that's an educator in the institution who has an actual reason for looking into their records. It's not sharing, it's not a violation of privacy, it is helping the student. Additionally, if parents feel like there may have been a mistake with their students' grades, or if they need to review something, they do have that right. We have parents who have students similarly to the ones that they aren't in the special education program, but they may need a little more help. We have them come in monthly, and they come in and review, just making sure everything's okay. They're not accusing us of anything, but they just want to double check that everything's going well and that their records are being kept so that they know that their student is caught up to the best of their ability. Some information can be disclosed to institutions such as financial aid institutions, schools that are being transferred to. If a student is moving, the school they're coming to needs to know that information. Additionally, if a financial aid institution asks a student or a school for information, they may give it to the school. And that's all I have to say about FERPA. Thank you.